What's up, everybody? We're here doing Adam's Razz for the Black Diamond box. We are going 3 times. Winner on top gets the Black Diamond box shipped to them. So we're gonna go ahead, go live. We're live at 11:59. It is, well, almost 11:59 here in Larange, Saskatchewan, the true north. So I will go ahead and grab the list. We got Nick on top, Mr. Ed Lowe on the bottom. Nick on top, Ed Lowe on the bottom. No spaces in between. And we're going 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2. We got Eddie. After 2. And that's in at 12. It is still noon here. And third and final time, everybody. Good luck. Steven, spot 5. Congratulations. 1 spotted it. Grab that third time stamp. That third time stamp is in at 12:01. It is 12:01 again. Steven, 3 times. Guys, thanks for joining. Adam will get that out to you as soon as possible.